In this video, I will show you how to delete a table inside your Word document. Let's get started. As an example, let's say I have a Word document with 5 pages. I want to delete pages number 4 and 5. Page number 4 contains a table and page number 5 is a blank page. To delete page number 5, I need to delete the table on page number 4. Navigate to page number 4 and place your cursor on the borderline of the table. Right-click to bring up the toolbar. Locate the delete option. You will see 4 options appear. Click on delete row. If your table has several rows, repeat this process for each row. Once the table is deleted, the blank page, page number 5, also will be removed. Now you can see both table and the blank page have been successfully deleted. You can move to previous page by using the backspace key on your keyboard.